Hello everyone. It's been a while since we shared an update, so today I want to walk you through how to use Defendis to protect your organization. I'll show you how to use the data leaks module to detect leaked credentials, leaked banking information, and leaked documents from your organization. This should help you respond to incidents faster and help protect your employees, your customers, and your citizens if you're a governmental agency. Let's head over to the app. When you click on the Data Leaks module, you'll see three tabs: Credential Leaks, Payment Card Leaks, and Document Leaks. To be able to see your leaked data in these tabs, you'll first need to add your information in our watch list. Every time you add an indicator, it will need to be approved by us. We do this as a security measure to ensure you don't get to see leaked data of other organizations, and other organizations don't see your leaked data. So once you've added all your information to the watch list, the Credential Leaks tab will show you all the credentials leaked on the dark web that are related to you. These credentials can be organized by username, by source, or by risk score. Talking about risk score, each credential is analyzed to assess its impact on your organization. Does it belong to a customer or to an employee? Does it grant access to a user account or to an admin account with higher privileges? All these factors and more are computed to assign a risk score and help you prioritize your response. We do not stop at showing you just username and password. Let's dive into more details. For each credential, when you click on it, you get more details about the source of the leak and other insights that will help you in your investigation. Two major insights come up in here: the hardware ID of the machine that leaked the credential and the malware path, where the malware is located on that machine. Again, we could have stopped here, but we wanted to do more and show you more insights. Let's say this credential belongs to an employee, and you want to know if they have any other leaks and assess their impact on your organization. Well, this is where the user profile comes in. When you click on it, it shows you all the information available about this employee, so you can investigate if there is anything else that could put your organization at risk. Moving on to the payment card leaks, this tab is only available to financial institutions. By adding your BINs to the watch list, you'll be able to see all the payment cards that you have issued that are leaked on the dark web. Each card is assigned a risk score depending on the card level and payment network to help you prioritize your response. Now let's go to the document leaks tab. In here, you'll be able to see all the documents that leaked from your employees. You can search by keyword or sort them by date to see the latest leaks first. As a security measure and to protect the privacy of your employees, access to these documents is on demand, so we can ensure you only have access to work-related documents. As we have seen, Defendis can help you identify and investigate leaks, but there are other use cases as well. And that's all for the data leaks module of Defendis for now. If you want to trial it for yourself and see if there are any leaks related to you, visit our website and book a demo, and we'll get in touch with you soon.